Have a good day. Let us see about Yashavant Kanetkar C programming programs. First program, we want to point out the error in the below program. Hash include stdio.h point void show of int main of void pointer s of ses declared as show pointer s of and the s of returns 0. It will returns the 0. Then they are using the void show of another one function. This will print the don't show off, it won't pay in the long run in the new line. Let's check the error in this program. As there is no error in this program, the output will be the shown. Don't show off, it won't pay in the long run. It print two times the same one. Here in this program, they print the two times the print statement. So the output will be the two times as the same line. Second program. Before going that program, first of all, we want to know about what is the difference between zombie process and orphan process. First, zombie process. If child process terminates before parent and parent does not query the exit code of terminated child process, then the entry of the child process continues the exist in the process table. Such a child process is called the zombie process. Then, coming to the orphan process, if the parent terminates without querying the zombie child process, is treated as an orphan process. Also, when the parent process terminates and the child process are still running, then child process are called as orphan process. Simply says a zombie process refers to a process that has completed its execution and waiting for its parent to collect its status, whereas an orphan process is still in its execution phase even after its parent terminates. This is the zombie and orphan differences. Like an orphan process is formed when its parent dies while the process continues to execute, while a zombie process is a process that has terminated but its entry is there is in the system. Coming to the program, rewrite the program in the section Zombies and Orphan. By replacing the while loop with a call to sleep off function, we want to refer the output of the program. First, to compare the loop and sleep off function. This C program demonstrates the usage of fork of wait bit and sleep off functions in the parent-child process scenario. This program includes necessary header files for Unix system calls unistd.h and sts by types of h. First, hash include unistd.h. This provides access to the POSIX operating system API. Then hash include sts by types.h. This is the data type used in the system source code. Then int main of unsigned int I equal to 0. This is the input. Then input as a PID status. PID means it is the process ID. It is used to store the process ID. Then status. Status is to store the exist status. Then PID equal to fork of function. PID means that is the store to process ID. Then fork is to create the child process, and if it returns 0 it is a child process. If it not returns 0 then it is the parent process. In the child process, it sleeps for 4 seconds using the sleep off function. Then it prints the message indicating that the child is terminating. If it is in the parent process, it waits for the child process to terminate using wait bid off, and it checks the status of the child process. If the status is non-zero, it indicates the normal termination. Otherwise, it indicates the abnormal termination. Coming to the program, if PID equal to 0, then it enters to the while loop, sleep of 4. Print of the child is now terminating. Else, wait bit of bid and status equal to 0. Wait bit of will make the parent process wait until the execution of the child process is not completed, and it ensures the child process. If status printf the parent is to child terminator normally in the new line, or else printf the parent child terminated abnormally and it returns the 0. Let's see the output of this program, and this is the output of this program. The child is now terminating. Parent is to child terminated abnormally. Thank you.